What's going on, and welcome back to Knife Life BDC. As you can see, I have something a little different in front of me. Is the Lenox utility knife, or utility blade, is whatever you prefer to call it. I've been kind of using this for a while now. I kind of started using other ones, but I kind of just wanted to do like a final review on it. Kind of retired, I guess. It is, like I said, a utility knife. It's not like a regular knife, so let's kind of get into it. This right here, this little blue area right here, is a special compartment kind of. And what I like so much about this is it has extra features to it, which is something I think a lot of other ones should start doing, because I feel like you normally, when you're using a utility knife, you might need other things. Like usually I always need a screwdriver of some sort. And this is what I liked about it. It has the Phillips and the square head. And I really like these kind of bits because I have them absolutely everywhere. Like, it's dumb how many I have. They just come with everything, it seems like. So I have those, and you can switch them out. Like, I use the square head some, but I need to switch it out and put a flathead bit in there, because usually I use a flathead or Phillips, or star bit. Like, if I had room for a third one, that'd be great, but it doesn't. But I use flathead sometimes. But the annoying thing is I hate flathead, so when I have to take them off, obviously I don't want to. But it would be easier just to use this and kind of just go at it. But that's kind of the nice thing about this, is it does have the extra bits in there, and it does have a different angle for it. It has like the 90 degree, or you can straight do it to 180. It's whatever you need. And it's big enough that where you can also, use it. You have, I guess, more real estate to do some cranking on it, I guess to say. But that's what I liked most about this. And also, right in here, it has extra storage for utility blades. Normally, some days I'm working and I'll tear up a blade. Some days, like, if it just depends on what I'm using it for, and like it'll go dull really fast, and I'll need another one quick. And instead of going back to my truck or van or whatever, I have it right here. So I just switch them out, and I don't know, it's real easy. It's stupid easy. It also has like a storage for two. Um, I think the Milwaukee Fastback has two or three. I'm not for sure. I can't remember. But in order to get it back in, you just have to pop it back down, and it locks right back. And obviously, to unlock it, you just have to push this way, and there you go. It pops right up. All right, what I like about utility knives, I usually like button locks now, but what I really liked about this is that I can still manipulate it with one hand, and that's thanks to the groove right here. Like, it makes it, and also the ledge. It has that little ledge right there for gripping with your thumb. Obviously, you can do it either way, but I usually just do it with my thumb. But so it's very easily to manipulate one-handed. Obviously, button locks are a little easier, so all you do is flip the button, or push the button down and flip it open, and it goes right open. It is a liner lock, so that's not a bad thing. I like my liner locks. I prefer a button lock, but this is obviously, I was very impressed with the liner lock and how long it lasted and how much work I put it through, and I did not have any problems with it. Um, One, also a safety feature I really liked was obviously this is how you have it open, obviously, and locks in and everything. And the safety feature I really liked was how to take the blade out, because sometimes I will accidentally hit the button, and the blade will come out as I'm cutting something, or whatever it is. And what I really liked was, if you look right here, it says 45 degrees. And what that means is, in order to take that blade out, you have to have it at a 45-degree angle. And there, it even says it right here. It has a lock with an arrow. So that means it's unlocked, so you can take this out. So that was a feature I really liked. And it doesn't come out easy. Like, obviously, when you're cutting, when it's open like this, it doesn't come out. I've had that problem with it, not this one, but other knives before. But this one makes it kind of nice that it doesn't do that. And it goes in there pretty smooth. You have no problems. And there's no wiggle room at all. Like, maybe up and down like a hairball, as you can hear it maybe. But side to side, like this, nothing really. So this was, I thought, really great. I like the metal like handle and everything. Like, it just works really well with it. Pocket clip was great too. I hadn't had any problems. Like, sometimes when it comes to utility knives, I have a lot of problems with pocket clips. I don't know why. It's like an afterthought, I like to think, and it's something like they put all the money into everything else. But obviously the pocket clip is like a cheaper thing, so obviously they probably won't put a lot of thought into it. But for this one, I felt like they did pretty good on it. It's a great material. It's not like loose, cheap. Doesn't feel like it's going to bend real easy. And it stays in my pocket just fine. I haven't had any problems with it. But this is my favorite one so far. I'm getting ready to test out a Klein, hopefully. I got to go get that. But yeah, I'll get that from Lowe's. I really like this one. I like the extra features on it. So it's kind of hard to compare this to other ones like without that feature. Like, here, let me show you. And I'll show you the Milwaukee Fastback. Let's go with that. Here's the, we'll go with that in a second. Hold on right there. But it's like, it is more compact, as you can see. It's a little thicker. But not much longer though. That's what's nice about it. It's not really longer. It's a little bit thicker, but the pocket clip I also think makes it a little bit slimmer. I don't know how to show you guys like in a perfect angle. Here, like this maybe? Nope, I don't know. But you can tell like the pocket clip is pretty slender and close to the body, so it's not, it might be just the same size it seems like, because this seems like it pokes out a little more. But you can't, it's hard to compare this to this because it has extra features. It holds more blades, it has little screwdrivers on it. So it's kind of hard to compare it. So if I had to choose, if it without features, minus the features, I would go with the Milwaukee Fastback. I really do like the Milwaukee Fastback. It has been reliable for me. But the thing about, just to go into detail about why I don't like the Milwaukee Fastback as my number one. I like that the bit holder comes out farther. That's the great part about that, but I don't like these bits. They stick in there and they're kind of hard to sometimes get in and out. And I've actually read that some people have had them get stuck in there and they couldn't get them out at all. Something about inside of the bit holder breaks or something happens and they just can't get them out. So that's what I didn't like. But I did like that it has like a liner lock to it right here. So in order to get it, like as you can tell, like it's not going to move obviously, but it has like a little liner lock right there. And then you just do that and bam, right back there. I really did like that, but I don't know, I like the way this feels in my hand. It feels good, it feels durable. It's got a couple of extra bits in there, the bits I like. It's got obviously extra utility blades. Also like this, but this won out on me. Well, that's all I have on it. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. If you guys have any comments about it, or honestly any thoughts of any other utility knives I need to check out, just leave it in the comment section and I'll check them out. Thanks.